Hi, I'm Mohak and this is Graphity. AI coding agents are really good at generating code, but there's one problem I kept running into. They don't actually know the structure of the code base they are changing. They might confidently reference a field that doesn't exist, miss a dependency, break a relationship, or modify something without understanding its blast radius. That's what Graphity is built to solve. Graphity is an AI code generation CLI for Next.js and Prisma specifically that uses HydraDB as a deterministic code graph. Instead of asking the LLM to remember the entire code base, Graphity first builds a graph of the actual structure, model fields, components, routes, imports, and the relationships. So when I ask Graphity to make a change, it can first understand what parts of the code base are actually connected to that change and calculate the potential blast radius. The LLM then generates the change using that structural context. But the important part is what after calculating the blast radius. Let's look at it. Let's look at the demo to get a more clear understanding. So that was the demo for Graphity. Just now we saw how Graphity is working on the terminal. So what happens is Graphity repasses the generated code and cross-checks it against the HydraDB graph. If the generated code contradicts the actual structure of the code base, Graphity blocks the change instead of blindly writing to the disk. So the LLM is responsible for reasoning and generating. HydraDB is responsible for providing the structural source of truth. That's the important part here. And Graphity sits between the two as a verification layer. So that's why Graphity is the agent that verifies your code. The goal isn't to make AI coding agents generate more code. It's to make them understand the code base they are changing and fail safely when they don't. That's what Graphity is about. Thank you.